Hello kids, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel ColorBook. Today we are going to do something special. So, we will learn how to draw a yummy burger. Are you ready? Let's begin. Draw the bottom bun. Make a nice soft round shape. Next, draw the green letters on top. Make it wavy and even. It looks fresh and beautiful. Now let's draw the burger patty. Give it a nice round shape. After that, add a cheesy slice. Draw the corners neatly so it looks super tasty. Now draw the top bun and place it on the burger. Let's add a tomato slice. Then draw onion ring on top of the cheese. Outline the whole drawing nicely and neatly. Great job! Add some tiny sesame seeds on the top bun to make it look extra special. Now it's time to color our yummy burger. Color the bottom bun with orange or a light brown color. Now let's color the top bun with orange color too, or you can use light brown as well, whatever color you have. Kids who loves burgers, raise your hands. Do you like cheesy burger or veggie burgers? Everyone likes burgers. Color the lettuce with light green color. Use a dark green color around the edges to give it a fresh and realistic look. Now color the burger patty with a nice dark brown color. Try to color it neatly and evenly. After that, color the cheese slice with bright yellow. It looks so delicious. Then color the onion ring with a light pink color. Add a little purple color to give them a real onion look. Next, color the tomato slice with a red color. Finally, color the sesame seeds with a light yellow color. Our yummy burger is now completely ready. It looks colorful and tasty. I hope you enjoyed this fun drawing activity. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy drawings. See you in the next video. Bye bye.